All right guys, so today on the training plan was legs. It wasn't a riding day, but I also had the day off work. So I thought I would head out to my training ground here in Corbel Park and just put a couple of laps in. But because it's leg day, I didn't want to make it easy on myself with having gears and brakes. So I thought I would bring out the fixie and just put in a couple of hard laps. Also just wanted to practice getting a little bit of like solo B-roll on the bike. A lot of my videos will be on the bike and I'll have the GoPro with me or my camera. And the videos that I've done so far, the only real B-roll that I've got is just me riding the bike, and I'll hold the GoPro out to the side and it just looks like your typical Instagram trash that people post up. I really want to produce quality videos on my channel, and that means that I need to practice different techniques. I'm not really a filmmaker, but I do consider myself a videographer. So I want to make sure that the stuff that I'm putting out is of like high quality. And it's also a great way for me to practice my storytelling. A lot of the video work that I get is either run and gun or is series-based work for builders. So it's pretty straightforward. Whereas YouTube, if you want to make an interesting YouTube video, the ones that I really engage with are the ones where there's a bit of a story to tell, or you're following the story of a person through the different videos that they produce. So yeah, this video is just going to be a real quick one. I'll just post up a couple of clips that I've got. There won't be much like BTS of me setting up the camera because I didn't bring the GoPro with me. I've just brought my camera and my drone. Just gonna put my head down, bust out a couple of laps, and yeah, let's go.
See when I touch mic, there ain't nobody like me, on God. We know what the weather might be, thunder. Now I don't think these brothers like me, but they don't know sugar, honey, iced tea. I sat back in a comfy chair, scheming a mad rap to catch the game unaware. Sipping on the last batch of the chief, shadowed up his share. You know, Captain Black Sparrow swallowed the rum and I'm in my bag. And I'ma get deeper, promise I'ma give him something they can sit their teeth on. Got a couple things they may wanna hear me speak on, so I'ma need a beat they can feel my heartbeat on. I was on the outside, looking inside. What's on the outside ain't what's inside. Brothers wanna pick sides, then they wanna switch sides. These times I don't know who's on which side.